This is the OnePlus 10T 5G, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So as we all know, unfortunately it is not possible to get the Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your smartphone is currently connected to the network. Should it be Wi-Fi or cellular? Then launch any search engine that you'd like. I recommend using Google. In here type in Fortnite APK, just like so. Among the search results, go for the official epicgames.com website. Then over here tap on the download the app from Epic Games hyperlink. Confirm the installation file download. Then once it gets downloaded, you gotta open it. As you can see by this little pop-up window, prior to installing the Epic Games launcher itself, it is required that we allow Google Chrome to install unknown apps at the first place. So we'll go to the settings, switch this toggle on, and confirm the installation. Then we can launch the Epic Games application. After that, you want to tap on this black Get button located in front of a Fortnite game. Then start the download process of the Fortnite directly by tapping on this yellow button. So we'll do just that and wait until all the necessary files will be downloaded. As you can see, once everything gets downloaded, you gotta, prior to installing the Fortnite, you gotta allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps, as we did for the Google Chrome a bit earlier this video. So just go to the settings, turn on this switch, and confirm the installation, the final installation of the Fortnite. Next, you gotta simply launch the game itself, and all that it's left to do, all that separates you from being actually able to play the game, is this little update, resource and files update process. So wait until the Fortnite will download, install and apply all the needed resources and updates, the most recent ones of course, and after that you'll be able to start playing it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.